What, buddy?
Just took all of my pockets that are on.
Yeah. Well, tell me what it is.
It is a cool sled goes ow. Gee. It is an ice skating thing. You do whoops. Oh, my head hurts.
All right, let's look at Reagan's. Tell me about your pumpkin.
I forgot what the name is to
A
it.
husky?
Why can't you do
The
that?
dog that I bought at Walmart.
Mom, why can't do that? Why can't you do that?
Schnauzer.
Yes,
Mama.
I painted a schnauzer on mine.
Hey, Mama.
Yes, Reagan. I
Why
mean, Lukey.
can't-
But you can't do it right now, buddy, okay? This is Daddy's.
Isn't it cute? Look at the little face.
Oh, Reagan is cute. Mommy's just has leaves on it.
Mom.
What acorn?
Oh, yeah, an acorn. Meow. Acorn, really big gold blob of paint.
Wait again, Mama. You take a picture of me.
Cha-ching.
Cha-ching.
You have paint on your face right there.
Go do a funny one.